name's Tyler Groth. My twin brother and I own Mirror Image Racing out of Laramie, Wyoming. It's a crazy experience here. It was kind of in the hustle and bustle, you didn't think about it, but actually being here now today with the other inductees and seeing my picture on the wall in there is pretty cool. WyoTech means the world to me. It's what got me started in my career. Came here as a kid and now 20 years later doing monster trucks. Would have never thought when I grew up. I always wanted to do monster trucks, but how do you get into it? And WyoTech got me here. Now raising my family back here in Laramie, Wyoming, just all kind of full circle. My twin brother and I went here almost 20 years ago and never thought we'd be back here raising our families, running our monster truck shop. WyoTech, I did diesel and then street rod. So we use that a lot in the monster truck industry. We haul these things with semi trucks. So everything we learned, the air brakes, transmissions, differentials, we use also in the monster trucks, and we always roll them over. So the bodywork, painting, all of that stuff I used for the last 20 years that I learned at WyoTech. After WyoTech, career fair, we got a job with Kiewit Pacific out of Portland, Oregon, and worked doing heavy equipment, and it was a lot of fun, but I think most people want to do what they enjoy. So about 5 years later, my brother and I built a monster truck, and now we race 4 all over the country. So what we learned at WyoTech now applies today, and it's just crazy how WyoTech sets you up for success. The possibilities are endless when you go to WyoTech. I think if you're thinking about coming to WyoTech, you should come out and look. This town has a lot to offer that people don't think. They have the mountains, skiing, snowboarding, lakes during the summer. It's just other things than school too. When I went to school here, I learned so much, and just kind of go with what you feel. A lot of people are like, what classes do I take? There's so many options. And a lot of kids come here and then they'll end up staying and taking more classes. So just get out here, get the ball rolling, and maybe you'll be racing monster trucks, working for NASCAR. There's just so many options when you come here. It's a little intimidating when you leave and going to get a real job. You just got to stay focused, push yourself every day to be the best that you can. Always want to learn, ask people questions, and just use all that knowledge that you learn to better yourself. Set goals for yourself and achieve them, and maybe someday you'll own your own race team or your own construction business. WyoTech can get you there.